Welcome students to my YouTube channel. As promised, here I am with the topic of sentence, that is an English topic, a sentence. Now today I am going to tell you what a sentence is and how many types of sentences are there. Before starting there, let us talk about language. Now what do you mean by language? Language is the mean of communication, and children, every language has their own alphabets. Like in Hindi there are K, Kh, G, Gh. Similarly in English there are A to Z. The alphabets are A to Z. Now students, suppose there are three alphabets D, G and O, and I randomly write them O, G, D. Does it give any meaning? No, it is not giving any meaning. But if I rearrange the alphabets like D-O-G or G-O-D, now these two are giving the meaning. D-O-G means dog, that means I am talking about an animal. G-O-D means God, that means I am talking about the Almighty. So that means we can say the collection of alphabets which gives a complete meaning is called a word, right? Similarly, we can say if there are few words are there, suppose dog is the barking. Suppose there are no commas, this is a sentence. I have randomly written dog is the barking. Now does it give any meaning? No. But if I arrange them, the dog is barking. Now as soon as I read this sentence, the dog is barking, it comes into our mind that who is barking? The dog. And what the dog is doing? He is barking. So that means a sentence has two parts, the subject and the predicate. Now what does the subject tell? Subject tells us about whom we are talking, about whom we are talking. And what does the predicate tell? Predicate tells something about the subject, that means what we are talking about the subject. Predicate tells us what we are talking about the subject. Like in this sentence we are talking about dog, so the subject is dog, and what we are talking about dog, that the dog is barking. And in predicate there is verb and an object. Object can be there, object it cannot be there, but verb is important, verb has to be there, right? So that means the subject is that part of the sentence which tells us that about whom we are talking, and object is that part of, or predicate is that part of the sentence which tells us about the subject, that means what we are talking about the subject. Now children, the subject can be singular or plural. For example, if I say the dog is barking, here we are talking about one subject, that is dog. If I rewrite the same sentence in a different way, the big black dog is barking. Here also I am talking only about one subject, that is dog, but it is a group of words because here I am more explaining the dog, what type of dog is barking, that is the big black dog. The big black dog. So it is a group of words which is giving a subject. So it can be said it is a subject group. Subject group. So a subject can be singular or subject can be in group, right? Now children, the question comes, where to position the subject? In normally sentences, the subject is written in the beginning of the sentence, or in the beginning of the sentence. For example, the dog, I am taking the same example, the dog is barking. Here the dog is at the second position, the beginning, we can say it is in the beginning. Now if I say was the dog barking, so here it is not in the beginning, here it is in the middle, because I am asking a question, was the dog barking? Was the dog barking? So in some cases the subject can be in the starting, or in some cases the subject can be in the middle, or in some cases the subject can be at the end also, that is in the emphasizing subjects. For example, what a beautiful scenery. Now in this sentence, the word scenery, we are talking about scenery, that what a beautiful scenery, but here the scenery is at the end of the sentence. So according to the sentence, we can arrange the position of the subject in the beginning or in the middle or at the end. Now besides this, students, there are different types of sentences. I am just only going to give you the names in this video, and in my next upcoming video I will explain you what different types of sentences are. So the different types of sentences are: one is the declarative sentence, one is the interrogative sentence, one is the imperative sentence, one is the emphatic sentence, and the one is the octative sentence. Now what these different sentences are and how do we recognize them, what are the indications that we can simply see it and find it out whether it is a declarative sentence or interrogative sentence or imperative sentence or emphatic sentence or octative sentence, this I am going to discuss in my next video. Hope the concept of sentence is clear. So I am just going to give you a revision. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that gives the complete meaning. And a sentence is made up of two words, the subject and the predicate. The subject tells us about that part of the sentence, about what we are talking, and predicate is that part of the sentence which is telling something about the subject. So I hope that the concept of sentence is clear now. So if you like this video, please like this video and press the bell icon so that you can get more notifications about my upcoming videos. Thank you very much.